Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in comment. Today market is really gone down, and it's a worst day, I would say, due to the war broke between Russia and Ukraine. Market is trading at around 16,500 level, and don't know if market will go down. The market can go down below. I'm not, maybe it's 16,000, even if it can break 16,000 level also. uh, on the other hand, it can go up to 18,000 also in maybe in 6 months if this gets over. We don't know. Every 2 or 3 years, some reason comes out for the market to go down and it again recovers. We had COVID. COVID is the biggest example of that. Um, and then previous to that, we had Brexit, demonetization, and lots of things, but again market recovers. So I specially looks into this opportunity and continuously invest, not my entire planned money at a one go, but I split my money and then invest gradually. For now, if the market had been good, I invest in like 25% and at one go, and in 3 to 4 distribution, 25 to 30, 35%. But in these cases of market, when the market there is a high probability that it may go down, I invest less. Today I have chosen a stock. It's called textile company Sarlapoly. The Sarla Performan is the company, and Sarla Performance Fiber, and in stock market it's known as Sarla Poly. I'm investing 5% of my planned investment for this stock today, since it has the market is showing weak, and but I don't want to miss this opportunity. That's why. So first, let's go through their company portfolio, whether it's fundamentally strong or not, and then its technical chart and the news. And another key factor is there for choosing this stock that I will discuss at the end, or maybe mid, whenever it comes. So first, this is the annual report of the company. Sarla Performance Fiber Limited, formerly Sarla Polyester Limited, comprises three manufacturing facilities in Silvassa, Dadra, and Vapi in Mumbai, Western India, of which the Silvassa facility is an 100% export-oriented unit. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of and export of polyester and nylon textured twister and dyed yarns, covered yarns, high tenacity yarns, and sewing threads. The company is managed by the promoter Mr. Krishna Jhunjhunwala, who is also managing director. The company, a balance of family promoters. Next, come yes. So our products and application. So what it has application: narrow fabric, hosiery, medical bandages, knitted and denim fabric, leather goods, soft luggage, automotive seat, belt and trims, automotive airbags and upholstery, etc. Yarn products, threads. Uh, Take out your time, go through this annual reports. You will get it in bseindia.com. Then it has a huge range of I would say clients like Nike, Adidas, Fruit of the Loom, Tommy, Prada, JW Marriott, Target, Jockey, Calvin Klein, Zara, and lots all. So it has a detailed history is there from 1993. Sarla Polyester was the formed with the status of a 100% export unit in 1993. Then it has a gradual history. The long history it has. 2019, the new Dadra plant was commissioned. What we make across three manufacturing flex India. manufacturers like textured polyester, nylon, high bulk, high stretch polyester. So these are the key things that they manufacture, and lots of other things are there. Textured sewing trade, high tenacity yarns, covered yarns, and lots of things. The revenue in 2020-21, see, in quarter 1 it was 25 crore, quarter 2 61, quarter 3 80, quarter 4 91. So it's continuously growing. And the profit after tax point 18277 and 12. So it is consistently growing. Next, come to this. So this is as you can see, textile company, small cap with a market cap of 475 crores. Stock is ranked 1273. It's a very small cap company. It's a high risk company. Stock is 4.2 times as volatile as Nifty. There is it pays dividend, but that is very negligible. So it has a poor, I would consider it as a poor in case of dividend yield. Here is the revenue and the profit. The revenue here, it shows that year to year it has in this 2020-21 went down bit, but there is a key factor that I was telling you about. So this is the thing. Now next come to here, the strength. Promoter increasing shareholding quarter to quarter. That I will that I will show you here. See, if you see the shareholding pattern from last 21 consistently 20 the March 2019, the promoter holding was 54.32. 19 it was 54.36, 54.76 in this 2019. Then again it has consistently, promoter is increasing its holding continuously year after year. From here, if you see, in 2019 it was 54.32, and now it is standing at around 55.25. So come the promoter the, is increasing its strength in this company. So there might be, they are the best person to know the company's future prospect. So that's why they are, since they are increasing their holding, it means there is some positive news about this company. There is some prospect of this company in future. As well as here, if you see the FIIs in 2019, it was 0.02. Consistently till June 2021, they maintained it as 0.02. But since September 2021, it is growing high, 0.67 to 1. I am holding this company from November. I would say that my first investment was in November. So when this results came out of the September quarter, and I saw that suddenly took a sharp jump in this from 0.02 to 0.67, it came to my radar. DIIs have now decreased. Its a DII strength is zero point 0. Public has also reduced. Definitely, it is supposed to reduce because the promoter and the FIIs has increased their strength. There is no threats in this stock, but company with growing cost is for long-term projects because they have investing for their future plans in their setups and their manufacturing units. That's why the cost is high. Now, next, come to here the were the big sharks, investors. If you see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala again, so my favorite person is this Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Always follow. I always follow what he is buying and what he is selling. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is the primary individual investor in this company. Mm, then comes Premji and Associates, Radhakrishan Damani. So here you can see the Premji and Associates is the highest net worth, have the highest net worth. Then comes Rakesh Damani, and then Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. So all the big shots are invested in this company. And here you can see there are many and the government and yeah, institutional investors are also there, like SBI Group, ICICI Group, HDFC, Reliance Group, and all. From FIIs, there is Government of Singapore, Government Pension Fund Global, Euro Pacific Growth Fund, Vanguard Fund, Nalanda India Fund Limited, and a lots all. So this shows that there is a fundamental strength in this company. Now next, come to this chart. So this is a daily chart. If you see here, in a longer time span, let's go to the month. So see here, see consistently this stock has grown, increasing from 2008. It went to a high almost 1617, and then it fell sharply from that period. And 17 to 20 is definitely was the worst period. 19, this time it falls sharply, but again since 2020 it took a sharp u-turn, I would say. See, this is a v or u, whatever you would say, is a sharp turn. And since 2020 May, from 12 rupees it went to a high of 71.64. So it 6 times, 6 times it went high in a year, couple of year, 2020 to 22. So 1.5 to 2 years, it went 7 times, 6 times, or 7 times. Now, why I am choosing this stock again? Yeah, as I said, I first bought this stock, I think in this range, 54 rupees. 54 to 59, between this, I don't remember the exact price, but during this phase I bought it first, was my investment. And since then it was going quite good. After that, even if I consider 50 55, from there it went to high to of around 77. So you can consider that in 3 months I've almost got around 40% profit in this stock. But I have not sold it because I expected it will be growing much higher. But unfortunately, this news about Russia and Ukraine war came out, and market is in a downtrend, is not showing any strength, and it's going down, to be true. But but this is the resist. This is the level at which it was showing a support. So this is the first support level that I had. So I am buying, I'm again investing at the price that which I bought in November. I'm again adding 5% of my planned investment. In November I had invested 25% because at that time the market seems to be stable, so that's why I invested 25% of my planned investment in this company. And now I'm adding 5% more in this company. So total I have invested 30% of my plan. And let's see now, today this is the thing. And again, if it falls more, if it comes to a level of around 48 to 45, and then I will invest another 5 to 10%. Depends, it depends upon the situation of the market at that time. For today I am investing 5% of my planned investment today. And recently another news came out, I would like to show you about. Yeah, so this is the news. Sharla Performance consolidated December 2021 net sales at rupees 114 crore, up 41.97%. So net sales at rupees 114 crore in December, up 41.97% from 80.37 crore in December 2020. So doesn't it, it looks very promising in this. Sherla Performance EPS has increased to rupees 1.45 in December 2021 from rupees 0.82 in December 20. So it's much better. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Let me know your views also in the comment, and if you want me to share my inputs about any stock, please do let me know in the comment. Thank you.